Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply record your screen without installing any software on Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and this round dialog box here is going to pop up. The next thing you need to do is to come to the open dialog box right here and make sure you type in PSR. Having typed in PSR, simply hit on OK, and this is going to pop up. You have the recording window screen, just like what you see right now. So for you to start recording your screen, what you need to do is to simply click on start recording right here, and then as you can see from the screen right here, you can see the screen has started recording. Then if you want to pause recording, simply click on pause and the recording has been paused. If you want to resume, it's the same button, click on resume and the recording continue just like so. Then you can start walk around with your PC screen and begin with whatever you want to record just like so. Once you are done with whatever you are recording, simply hit on stop recording. Then you have everything you record right here. Then you can simply scroll down and check on everything right here. Now, if you want to save what you record so far, come to the top right here, click on save, and this dialog box is going to pop up. Then select where you want to save the file and save it in desktop. So I'm going to simply select my desktop right here. I'm saving it in my desktop. Then I will come down below right here. I'm going to write a name, new file. Then I'm going to simply hit on save. And in a few seconds, the recording file is going to be saved on my PC. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply record your PC screen without installing any software on Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.